Woo! Oh!
Big L's, it's your RC. Riding dirty, riding clean. Cameras in the street, kick on my force on the scene. Big L's, it's your RC. Watch the power when we slide. From the bash to the speed runs.
Guys, welcome. It's Sunday morning, early doors. Flip sides here. And this means MJX versus Rlaarlo Omni Terminator. So, the last time we ran these trucks, Steve had a bit of an issue with his controller. The steering was doing the throttle and brake, and the trigger was doing whatever it wants. So this time now, we're at a skate park, and we're ready. So let's put them head to head and find out who comes out on top. So guys, quick rundown. I've tuned the shocks, I've done all the diffs, and I've put a 15-2 pinion on there. And my god, has it livened it up a little bit. So this should be hopefully one of the best setups you can get for this truck, but we shall find out. Nice.
Like I say, if it don't, it might be something like that.
Easy peasy. Oh! Still our wheels. Oh, nice. Nicey nice. Well, if you've done it, I've got to do it now, haven't I? Where's that woman? I'll take that.
Two.
Yeah, boy. Oh, flip side trying to get greedy with a triple.
I was going in for the front flips, then just started.
Yes, got that tripling.
Oh, I'm on my wheels.
Yeah, them wheels have made it so much better air control.
Probably like that as well.
Up. Nice. 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 Whoop. He fell down that bloody bit again. MJX is sending it. Yeah. That was wicked. I've lost myself. Where am I?
I'll tell you what, sub 200 pounds.
Up. Do you know what? I thought that jump was brilliant and both of us go at the same time and it just seemed me going over the top of you.
I was trying to watch yours for a split second, then try and get mine landed. I was like, I'm upside down, pull out.
Alright, I was a little bit too far behind you. I think we need to go again.
I think it's just because mine's a bit faster.
Oh! I so thought I was going to land on top of you. Yeah. Oh, just made it over. Oh, nosedive. Guys, I kid you not, this MJX is an absolute beast. It takes some hell of a kickings.
It's woke it up since the first run. I think you was a bit disappointed the fact.
Yeah.
Now it's like, it's really come to life. This is full ball, guys.
Oh, nice.
And it just keeps doing it over and over again. If you're looking for a key party to practice jumping, you can't go wrong with any of these two trucks.
Honestly, I think they're brilliant. Front flip, woo! Oh, and lands it on all fours. Ugh. Body popped off, but that's all good. Guys, quick rundown. This truck is a beast. Love this truck. 200 pounds, sub basher. Can't go wrong. To be fair, Omni Terminator, FTX Carnage wheels, must have. Woo! I don't know if I got that landing on the camera.
Soft arms, isn't it?
Yeah, but it is quite towed out as well. Look how much towed out it is. That's how it come out of the box. Right, boys, me and Flipside are out. We've now got a few more people to join us. A few more cars. Got a Rustler, MT10. Matt, what's that? TK what? TR10. TR10. Forgot the name of it. What else we got? We've got Steve's Omni Terminator and my MJX. Let's rip it. I'm still in the wrong spot.
Just got it.
You got a blown wheel. That tyre's out. Cars everywhere. Matt's loving life. Alright, I lost where my truck is. Over there. Nice. Oh, it didn't want a backflip, so I thought I'd try and bring it back. Well saved.
Fire front end.
And lands on wheels. Wheels. Got cars everywhere. Whoa! Thought that's coming at me then. Whoop. I'd have took it into a front flip if I was you. God, that chucked a piece before us. Whoop. That was close. Mate, I'm massive. Omni Terminator, loving it. Ah, saved it. Nicely done. Beautiful. Oh, that was on the front wheel, but I think it's all right. Yeah, I think you're good with that. Oh mate, look at that mud. Oh. Straight a leg.
Did you see yourself? Fucking I couldn't record that.
God, the MJX is trying to kill me. Everyone's got out of balance wheels now. Beautiful. Nice. Guys, that Sugar XL's a beast. Look at it. Just don't care. What happened to the spoiler? What happened to the spoiler? Oh, nice. Oh, just got a double in there.
L's, it's your RC. Riding dirty, riding clean. KRS in the street, kick on my force on the scene.